Hey everybody, Kevin here from KME Creations, and today we're going to deal with some objects. Now, objects are actually pretty cool if you can't get your text to look right, or if you want to highlight something and you want to put it in its own little object. There's easy ways to do that. And what I've done here is I've just put a couple of different objects on here, and I've got a text area for my text. So what I'm going to do is let's go ahead and start from the beginning here. Let's go ahead and get rid of this oval, get rid of that. So we have a blank slate. Okay, so I want to do some objects. And what we'll do is we'll just go to the Home tab, and you should see, if you're using Office 2010, there's going to be some objects right up in here you can use. Now, the first one we'll use is a rounded rectangle. Okay, go ahead and put that in here, and yeah, it looks kind of bland. It's blue in color. We're going to change that, but the outside, the rounded edges, and looks kind of cool. So we went ahead and put it there. That's the size we wanted. I mean, you can make this literally any size that you would like to. I mean, you can make it like that. You can make it, really small like that. However you'd like to arrange it. And what we're going to do is we're going to go in here and we're going to right click and we're going to do a format shape. Now, formatting the shape is just the same way as formatting other different things in my videos. We can go in, and if we right click, format shape, and I like to go with gradient. Everybody who's watched my videos know I'm kind of a gradient kind of guy because they kind of spice it up a little bit. Okay. And let's take that a little bit darker there, and let's see, do we want some 3D format? No, not really 3D format. Let's add some shade to it, or let's see, a shadow. Let's go ahead and shadow that up a little bit, and the color, let's make it a lighter brown. No, let's make it a dark brown so you can really see it. Okay, alright, there we go. Now, okay, we have our object. And this is just one that I picked. We can do whichever. So down here, we're going to add some text. Okay, that should be enough. Okay, so we see our text. We're going to get rid of that little button there. And we want to put this in here. So we're just going to move this, put it right there. Okay, we don't see it. Well, there's an easy fix for that. You have two different objects, and this one is laying over top of the other one. So what we're going to do is we're going to right click, and we're going to send it to the back. Voila. Now we have our text that we made it in our text box down here, and we just pulled it up and made it look like it was part of that particular object. Now you can do this with a lot of different objects. That's a pretty common one. Let's go ahead and do another common one here. We're going to do an oval. And again, we're going to change that color. Don't like that color. We're going to format the shape. Go with gradient because it's already got my presets. This time we're going to change that line color. That line color I don't really like. So we're going to change that. And we're going to change that to a light brown. Okay. And let's see, we don't need a reflection on this one, but we can add a reflection if we'd like to. And let's see, let's do a 3D format on this. Let's go ahead and bevel it. Make it really pop and stand out. So there we go. And we can also rotate this too if we want to. We can do it like that, or we can do it like this. There's just several different options of how you want to do this. Makes it look cool, adds to it. Let's go ahead and close that. I kind of like that. You know, and again, when you move it, it's going to look normal until you place it, and then it'll add the rotation for you. Okay, and that looks pretty cool, and we're going to insert some more text here. Go back up to Insert, Text Box. If it allows me to insert, let's see here. There we go. We're going to put a text box in here, and we're going to put, what do you think? Okay. And we're going to try to place that there, and there you go. That's pretty much all you have to do. And what you can do is you can adjust this to kind of make it look like it's on a tilt. I mean, you can adjust this around a little bit. There's always a way. You can go in here and format the text effect, and you've got your 3D rotation, and you can match the rotations. So there you have it. That's how you can add some objects. You can do some gradient. You can add some text to those objects and bring your text to the front, and that hopefully that'll help you out a little bit. Thanks for watching.